Who says size matters? We're looking at the best mini PCs of 2026 that pack more punch than your old desktop tower in a box the size of a sandwich. Let's shrink your setup. If you're looking for a balanced beast that won't break the bank, the Minisforum Mini PC series is leading the charge in 2026. This year's refresh features the latest Ryzen processors with integrated graphics that can actually handle light gaming and heavy multitasking without breaking a sweat. It's famous for its toolless entry, meaning if you want to swap out the RAM or add another SSD in 2 years, you just pop the lid and go. It's the ultimate do-it-all machine for students and remote workers alike. Check the description for the link to get this powerhouse at a great price. Next up, the GEEKOM A6 Mini PC is the definition of professional elegance. It's designed specifically for those who need a clutter-free desk but require the power to crunch through massive spreadsheets or 4K video timelines. What sets the A6 apart is its incredible thermal management. It stays whisper quiet even when you're pushing it to the limit. With a wealth of ports including dual USB 4, it acts as the perfect hub for your entire workstation. Check the link in the description to see why the GEEKOM A6 is the Office MVP of 2026. For the gamers who refuse to compromise, the ROG NUC is the undisputed king of small form factor performance. Built on the legendary ENIAC architecture but infused with ROG's gaming DNA, this machine packs a dedicated NVIDIA RTX graphics card into a chassis that fits in your backpack. It's capable of running the latest 2026 titles at 1440p with ease and features customizable RGB lighting to match your setup. If you want the power of a full-size rig without the bulk, this is your only choice. Click the link in the description to snag the world's most powerful mini PC. The Khadas Mind 2 is hands down the most unique PC on this list. It's not just a computer, it's a modular ecosystem. On its own, it's a wafer-thin productivity tool with a built-in battery for sleep mode portability, meaning you can unplug it from your office and plug it into your living room without it ever shutting down. But when you snap it into its specialized docks, it transforms into a full-blown workstation with desktop-grade ports and graphics. It's the future of computing, available right now. Head down to the description to find the link for this modular marvel. Finally, we have the Minisforum MS-02 Pro, the enthusiast's dream. This unit is famous for using liquid metal cooling, which allows the high-end Ryzen 9 chip to run at max clock speeds without throttling. It's a favorite for developers and tech hobbyists who want to run virtual machines or home servers. With dual 2.5G Ethernet ports and a rugged metal body, it's built to run 24/7. It's the most powerful non-gaming specific mini PC you can buy this year. Don't miss out. Check the description for the direct link to the MS-02 Pro. Big power, tiny footprint. That's the 2026 way. Whether you're gaming or grinding, there's a mini PC here for you. Like and subscribe for more tech deep dives, and we'll see you in the next one.